Singapore, often referred to as the Lion City, is a captivating blend of beauty and tourism that has charmed visitors from around the world. This small island nation, located at the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula, boasts a unique blend of natural wonders, modern architecture, diverse cultures, and vibrant attractions that make it a must-visit destination. The beauty of Singapore is multifaceted and instantly noticeable upon arrival. Its meticulously landscaped gardens, such as the iconic Gardens by the Bay, showcase the city's commitment to creating green spaces amidst the urban sprawl. These gardens are a testament to Singapore's dedication to sustainability and environmental preservation. In addition to man-made beauty, Singapore's natural landscapes are equally breathtaking. The city is surrounded by the lush, emerald waters of the Singapore Strait, offering stunning vistas along the coastline. Sentosa Island, a popular resort destination, boasts pristine beaches that provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation and water sports. Singapore's tourism offerings are as diverse as its cultural tapestry. The city's skyline is punctuated by modern marvels like the Marina Bay Sands Complex, a world-renowned integrated resort with its iconic boat-shaped rooftop that offers unparalleled views of the city. The futuristic Super Tree Grove at Gardens by the Bay, adorned with vertical gardens and dazzling lights, is a testament to Singapore's architectural innovation. For those interested in history and culture, Singapore's neighborhoods like Chinatown, Little India, and Kampong Glam offer a glimpse into the country's rich heritage. These vibrant enclaves are a mosaic of colors, aromas, and flavors, where visitors can explore traditional markets, temples, and mosques while savoring local delicacies. Singapore's commitment to excellence extends to its culinary scene, which is a reflection of its multicultural population. From hawker centers offering delectable street food to Michelin-starred restaurants, the city tantalizes taste buds with an array of flavors from Chinese, Malay, Indian, and other cuisines. Tourism in Singapore is amplified by its impeccable cleanliness and efficient public transportation system. The MRT network makes navigating the city seamless, while the meticulously clean streets create an inviting atmosphere for exploration. Furthermore, Singapore's reputation for safety and strict adherence to laws contribute to the peace of mind for tourists. Beyond the urban landscape, Singapore is also a gateway to adventure. The Singapore Zoo and Night Safari provide an opportunity to encounter wildlife in their naturalistic habitats, while the Jurong Bird Park showcases a colorful array of avian species. Adventure enthusiasts can partake in water sports at East Coast Park or explore the Southern Ridges, a network of walking trails that connect lush parks and offer panoramic views of the city.
In conclusion, Singapore's beauty and tourism are intertwined in a mesmerizing tapestry that weaves together natural wonders, modern marvels, cultural richness, and a commitment to sustainability. This Lion City stands as a testament to how a harmonious blend of man-made and natural beauty can create a captivating destination that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit.